travel through wormholes and the problems. In various science fiction movies, we see that how one can travel to different far parts of the universe through wormholes. Those scenes are very attractive and pleasant. But, if we come to know the real explanation behind those things in the language of physics, then we can enjoy them more. Today we will think about the idea of travel through wormhole and will discuss those different inconveniences that arise from this. But before we know about wormholes, we have to know about two important things: black holes and white holes. We know that, if the gravitational field increases, the space-time curvature also increases. So, space-time curved around massive objects because it has a larger gravitational field. Black holes are like infinite wells with enormous gravitational pull. Those are incredibly massive and extremely dense but cover only a small region. So, maybe the other side of the black hole open in another side of the universe. It is like one type of portal through space-time. But it is impossible to go through it safely. Let's take the example of two persons, you and your friend. Let's think that you fall towards a black hole. You will move into it faster and faster, accelerated by its gravity. Your feet will feel a stronger gravitational pull than your head because they are closer to the black hole. These are called tidal forces. Your elongated body continues to stretch lengthwise and continue to shrink widthwise. Then your body is stretched apart. Your body would be stretched toward the singularity. This stretching is so incredible and so strong that your body is completely torn apart before you reach the event horizon. Scientists call it spaghettification. If you fall into a supermassive black hole, your body remains intact, even as you cross the event horizon. But soon thereafter you reach the central singularity, where you are squashed into a single point of infinite density. You have become one with the black hole. Once you reach this point, you would sadly die. Let's assume a situation like the reverse of a black hole, in which nothing can be entered from the outside but from which matter and light can escape. White holes are the completely hypothetical mathematical concept. They attract matter, but objects falling towards it would never reach its event horizon. A white hole is something that probably cannot exist in the real universe. White holes are a possible solution to the laws of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. The possibility of the existence of such an object was first proposed by a Russian cosmologist Igor Novikov in 1964. In 1935, Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen used the general theory of relativity to elaborate the idea of wormhole, proposing the existence of bridges through space-time. Now, the question is, why is a wormhole called a wormhole? Or what is the significance of the term wormhole? It is a very simple idea. This bridge is a shortcut through the fabric of space-time, just as a worm burrows through fruits. We can understand this concept with a piece of paper. There are 2 points A and B on a piece of paper. Now tell me, what is the shortest distance between those points? What do you think? You may say the straight line connecting those 2 points should be the shortest distance. Yes, it is true. But, if we overlap those points by folding the paper, then it will be a shorter distance than the previous answer. Technically the 2 points will be at the same point in space-time. Suppose point A is your home and point B is your school. Now, if you can fold the space-time such that point A and point B overlap to each other, then the moment you step out of your home is the moment you step into your school. So, theoretically, the time taken for this is 0 or negligibly small. It reminds me of the Anywhere door of the Doraemon cartoon. Basically, black hole and white holes attached as depicted in the below picture, and it creates a portal through which one may travel one universe to other universes or different parts of the same universe. Yes, sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. But it is known as Einstein-Rosen bridge, or more popularly as wormhole. We can travel from one part of our universe to another part or a completely different universe through wormhole in just a few seconds or less than that time. Einstein's theory of general relativity mathematically predicts the existence of wormholes, but none have been discovered to date. We can see so many scenes of time travel through wormhole in science fiction movies and novels, but the reality of that process is more complicated. The concept of wormhole still is a hypothetical concept just because we cannot spot them due to mainly 2 reasons. The first problem is its size. The wormholes are predicted to exist on the microscopic level. So, it is very hard to detect and almost impossible to travel within it for us. But, as the universe is expanding, some of them may stretch to a larger size. The second problem is more important. It is about their stability. These wormholes would be useless for space-time travel because they collapse very quickly. This problem can be solved by using exotic matter. Exotic matter is not dark matter or antimatter. It has exotic properties. It is non-baryonic. It has negative energy density and negative pressure. Most of the exotic matter remains hypothetical. Tachyons are examples of exotic matter. The tachyons are very interesting because according to the theory of relativity these particles are able to travel faster than the speed of light. You can learn about tachyon particle in our another video by clicking the I button at the upper right corner of this video. Exotic matter can violate known laws of physics. Wormholes containing exotic matter are more stabilized. They could stay open for a longer period of time. If a wormhole has enough exotic matter or we artificially add sufficient exotic matter to it, then it can be used for travel through space. Some researchers say that it also can be used for time travel. But, it will be challenging for a human. British cosmologist Stephen Hawking has argued that such use is not possible. There is one more problem. Even if we can stabilize the wormhole by adding exotic matter in it and travel through it, there is still a possibility that the addition of regular matter could destabilize the portal. We need the most advanced technology to detect and use wormholes as a time machine. So from the previous discussions, it is clear that a safe journey through 𝗃𝗏 is almost impossible for any human or material body. We need more futuristic technology to do it. 94% of the viewers have not subscribed to this channel yet. So, if you like the videos of this channel then please subscribe. Like and share the videos with physics lovers and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated regularly. The premium membership option of our channel is now active. And all credit goes to the subscribers and viewers of this channel. Now you can be a part of this community of physics lovers by becoming a member. For this, you have to click the blue join button on this channel. This premium membership is for ₹29 per month only. You can cancel it at any time. The membership fee is really low, so please consider joining. Thank you.